Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Specific PPE high visibility zipper front safety vest with reflective tape. It's breathable and durable, high visibility, lightweight, multifunction pockets, an ISEA 107 2015, and is built to last. And then here's some more information. So you can wash it. Let's open it up. I think the color comes out in the video, but it's pretty bright. It's like a highlighter color. It has this reflective tape. It doesn't really seem that reflective. It has a few pockets, 2 pockets here. Another set of pockets here. Slot for your keys. Some loops on the top for whatever. Use a carabiner or something. Back, it's the same. There's no pockets in the back. Alright, so now let's open it up. Inside is just the same color, same material. And that's it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.